Welcome to Simple Software Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you the Focus Cell feature in Excel, which highlights the row and column of the active or selected cell, just as you're seeing on my screen right now. To turn this feature on, just click on the View tab here, and then in the center here in the Show section, it's right here, Focus Cell. So you can turn that on just by clicking on this. And you'll see that any cell that you select will now be highlighted. You can see the row and column, so it's a lot easier to see exactly where you're at here. If you select Arrange, it's going to still focus on that first cell that you selected. Same with if you highlight a column or a row like that, but it just makes it really easy to zone in on the row and column that you're focusing on here. Now, if you don't like the default green color that they have, you can also change that right here by clicking on View, and then from the Show section here, there's this little drop down next to the Focus Cell button, and this is where you can select the cell color. So they've got some options here, and they do look really really bright, but they are toned down quite a bit, as you can see. So you can just find whatever color you want to work with, and that's what will stick there. And turning it off is just as simple. Just click on the Focus Cell button here, it turns it off. Click to turn it back on. There's also this keyboard shortcut. I don't know if that's a shortcut, that's kind of a long shortcut, but Alt W E F does it. Just hold down Alt and then type in each letter one by one. You don't need to include the plus signs. It's just telling you this is the combination to use in this order. So again, Alt W E F, that turns it on or off. And once you've enabled this feature, once you've turned it on, it's going to be on for the next spreadsheet that you open, either an open file or you create a new file. But I just think it's a really handy way, if you're staring at a bunch of data, to see exactly where you're at with things. I know there's some freeze options you can use, but this helps if you don't really want to rely on that. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop me a comment if you have any comments or any questions, ideas. You guys give me a lot of great feedback, lots of fun ideas, maybe things I don't think of. So I really do value your feedback, and have a great day. Thanks so much for tuning in.